What is going on, everybody on YouTube? I'm excited for this video. You guys are watching me on YouTube. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and welcome to another Online Sales Pro video. Yes, that's right, guys. I love Online Sales Pro. I have been shooting video after video about it. If you don't know what it is, then we're going to talk about it in this video for a second. And in fact, hit the subscribe button if you like the energy that I'm bringing you every single day and shooting videos and getting out this content for you. Okay, so like I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I have been using Online Sales Pro for the last 2 years, and without it I would not have a business. Without it I would not be able to actually go ahead and make sales online in my various businesses. And this is the reason why I feel so passionate about a company that has given me tons. Now I'm just going to go on the main, this is the main website. I am an affiliate, as I said, so there's going to be a link in the description to Online Sales Pro in case you resonate with me and my story and everything else that I have to share with you during this video. So one thing that I want to tell you is generating leads. I'm trying not to use bad language, but generating leads and generating sales online is freaking hard. Okay, it takes effort, it takes time, it takes consistency, and it really takes consistency more than anything else. And Online Sales Pro makes that easier for me, makes that easier for you, makes that easier for everybody, because it helps you grow, it helps you track, it helps you see your cash flow, it helps you it gives you another stream of income. That's a foundational stream of income. Now, what do I mean by foundational stream of income? Okay, you can leverage many streams of income in your life. Okay, if you think about it, your household, okay, let's use a house as an example. Your household has one stream of income, but people tap into the household for many streams of income. So there's water cost, there's electricity cost, there are many streams of income, right? At least expenditure we're talking about at this point. But at the same time, if you have many streams of income that take care of all those bills, then you don't have to think about anything in your life. Like, you can relax, take your time, and actually implement just being on having the time freedom, right? So Online Sales Pro is something that puts everything together. Online Sales Pro puts your sales together, puts me together. If you guys follow Richard Branson or know, you know this guy who's an amazing person, honestly, to tell you the truth. There are many online marketers. There are many online marketers who will go ahead and tell you about this, but they will not share with you, or they will not tell you exactly what is needed, right? And the thing that I want to say specifically when I'm talking about all of this is that you are the best salesman that you have. So Online Sales Pro facilitates that for you and me and everybody, any business. I mean, I know people who are window cleaners and use Online Sales Pro. I know people who are car dealers and use Online Sales Pro. I know people who are teaching in tutorials and stuff like that, and are using Online Sales Pro to get more customers, to get more sales, to help them in their business. Okay, so it's definitely an amazing thing. The good thing is that it's an app as well as it's a web page. As you can see right here, you're allowed to make landing pages like this. You have the mobile app. You can integrate it in an email system, and you have dedicated support systems and stuff like that. So what is the brilliance of this? Brilliance of this is very, 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 very simple. As you can see, one of the Rank Up Now founders says, thanks to Online Sales Pro, I've been able to skyrocket my online business. Now I'm generating well over 100 leads per day, sponsoring 5 to 10 per day into my business. Now imagine if you just sponsored, you got 5 to 10 sales per day of $100 product. That's around, come on, $1,000 per day just by getting people into your business. And now Online Sales Pro helps you to do that with just $37. Now $37 is the monthly fee, and then you have an added bonus to get it, because you can share Online Sales Pro with somebody else and start earning as well. So all in all, it's a big benefit, in my opinion. It's completely up to you whether you go ahead and get Online Sales Pro or not. This video is not something that's gonna surprisingly drastically change my life. I'm definitely sharing my journey on it. in this year, basically in 2018, after a couple of years now using online sales pro, I decided to finally uh, start my own sales funnel, start my own system, and it's called a pro system, guys. And it is built on specifically on online sales pro. Everything, page after page after page, the whole pro system is built on online sales pro. And that is a joy for me, because branding, besides that, everything besides just having a nice system in place for myself is the key element, is online sales pro. And I really cannot get enough of it. So I'm just going to go to the pricing very quickly, because I think it's really simple to have a pricing like this. Annual is $25 per month, and you pay $300 per year directly, and that's it, or you pay a monthly fee of 37, which is again quite affordable, guys. It is literally, at least in the Czech Republic, this is like 2 lunches. Okay, you can make 2 lunches at home, and you don't go and go out, and you have the money to pay the bill, to pay online sales pro. It's that simple. Okay, it's not something that you have to wait for extra money and something like that. It's pretty decent price. So think about what you're doing. Think about the consistency in it. Think about the mindset behind it, and whether you really want to spend this kind of money to add to your business. Okay, remember, it's an add-on, it's a tool, it's a foundational income stream. When I say foundational income stream, I said this before, but I'm going to say it again. You get paid as an affiliate $20 per lead now. So if as you saw that Nick Anderson was saying that 5 to 10 people per day, which means you get easily 5 to 10 people per day, is 20 into 5, guys. 20 into 10, that's $200 per day, every single day. In 7 days, you think about it. Okay, in 5 days, you're $1,000 per week. That's a considerable amount of extra income that you can get just by having 5 to 10 people join you per day. But even if you have less, if you get one person to join you per day, and you get 7 people in a week, that's a considerable amount of extra income. Okay, just saying, that's a considerable amount of extra income to have per week. And then you add it to another 7, and you add it to another 7, and you add it to another 7. And think about that. It adds up to quite a bit of money, in case you do wish to earn from it as well. But in general, online sales pro has been, like I said, for me, a phenomenal income stream, a priority in my business, because I built my whole system on it. I mean, you can go to the website that you see in the description, or you can go to this website right here, TipsWithDav.com. And oops, not TipsWithDav, but TipsWithDav. And you can see all of my work that I've done, all of the branding, everything is on me, and is done by Online Sales Pro. And it didn't take me much time, guys. It didn't take me much time. So I want to ask you again, what is it that you are looking for? Are you looking for a system that helps you generate more leads, generate more sales, and makes your life much easier? Then Online Sales Pro can do it for you. My name is David Pinder. They also call me Tips with Dave. If you have any question about Online Sales Pro, let me know in the comments section. If you think my videos are stupid, vague, and just me rambling on, I apologize, but let me know in the comments, because I would like to know what to improve at times. Okay, have a great day, and I'm going to see you on the next one.